Toncoin is projected to post a 10% gain tomorrow, Crypto Predictions shows. Let's begin with a short review of today's market direction. As we speak, Toncoin is down 8% on the day and trades close to $1.56. It's time for expert takes on the market. Traders Union expects a move toward $1.57 by June 6, meaning an increase of approximately 0.5%. Toncoin is expected to reach $1.63 per coin lore, marking a rise of around 4.6%. CoinCodex highlights it could be advancing to $1.65, a potential rise close to 5.7%. A different forecast by Crypto Predictions expects Toncoin might head higher to $1.71, a potential gain of 10%. And to end, digital coin price projects $1.73 by tomorrow with a projected rise of 10.9%. This one offers the strongest profit potential. That's 5 different outlooks covered. Let's keep going. After reviewing all 5 projections, here's the numerical breakdown. Based on the forecasts examined today, the expected price variation could be from an increase of 0.5% to an increase of 10.9%, depending on the analyst. As a result, digital coin price shows the highest projected return with 10.9% gain in value by tomorrow. Put simply, you could come away with between $5 and $109 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probability, Traders Union ranks highest with a 99.1% chance of success. By bringing all the forecasts together, I've created a single consensus overview. Consensus estimates place Toncoin close to $1.66, hinting at a 6.4% improvement. So let's go step by step. The consensus forecast indicates a 6.4% increase in price. To put it another way, your capital could increase by 6.4% as well. On every 1,000, this scenario could mean $64 of upside. And the odds of this consensus forecast playing out are close to 84.6%. To get a clearer view, let's see how analysts anticipate the next 3 days. Traders Union suggests the direction is clearly higher. An upward push is likewise signaled by CoinLore. An upward drive is likewise anticipated by CoinCodex. Toncoin is likely to advance, similarly Crypto Predictions notes. Meanwhile, digital coin price notes that Toncoin appears set to push higher. The consensus highlights that Toncoin may gain strength in the short term. Therefore, 100% of the analysts project a bullish path for Toncoin. So overall, most analysts expect Toncoin to move in an upward direction. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they lined up with the market. By the close, the price stood at $1.66. 3 out of 5 analysts correctly predicted the move. If we go by precision, Crypto Predictions had the best forecast. Let's set the results out step by step. The candle contained 2 forecasts yesterday. For ROI, there were several strong results, and CoinCodex came out on top. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. For today's numbers, Crypto Predictions had 3.4% forecast probability and 15.9% in profitability. Accuracy came in at, look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. Let's shift to the comparison of tomorrow's projected gains calculated from consensus data. Toncoin remains below the leader as near shows 9.5% growth potential. Here we're featuring only 5 cryptocurrencies, while extended return comparisons are already available on my website. Before you go, hit subscribe to stay aligned with tomorrow's update. See you soon.